Okay, now family, camera girl, shoot them up on the pace at which these are frying, and you notice they are taking color slowly. Hey everybody, how y'all doing? How you hey okay? Indian make out of words, so what up, what up? Manners and respect, man. And your girl, Debbie from Dung, Yaad. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new right on over here, let me extend a special welcome to you and to say thank you so very much for joining the family. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning of this journey and you're still here with me, manners and respect. You all know that. Now, this little video is about sharing something a little different with you. And look here, we're still there on the local Christmas morning. This one is a little unique one coming to you straight from Debbie Yaad for your Christmas morning breakfast table. And look here, you can use and make mini ones and use it as appetizers, on different occasions. But look here, we're gonna get to that one day, the appetizer thing. When we are on the subject, we're gonna start run some appetizers straight to show you when you're having your functions and your all of your get-togethers to do appetizers. So we're going to be sharing with you today some corned beef filled fried dumplings. Now I have my oil over here and it's been preheated and it's like almost on low. We don't want to get too hot because we are going to go on with a little thing. So let us get it right down because we don't want it too hot. From you say, yeah, me say fried dumpling, you know I'm supposed to have a dough. And all of you who are new right on over here, I have put in the description of my tin mackerel and fried dumpling video the video that shows you how to do your dough. First show you how to make, from you put out the flour and how to make your fried dumpling, your dough if you fry your dumpling in depth every single time, because your dumpling dough must look soft and juicy and nice like this. And you know all the information is there. Now, I said to you, corned beef filled fried dumplings. So, you can use whatever you want. You can take this, what I'm doing, you can use all your different little things, mix and match, and make it your own. I am using today some red, green, and yellow bell peppers, and also some chopped onions. You could also put these in your food processor and chop them a little finer, but me did just chop them, you know, the finer the better. So, look at this. I have one here, I don't remember how many ounces, but it's the bigger size tin of corned beef. And you know we deal with the thing, then we wash them. So I did all of that off camera, because you all know we got through all of that already. In family, comment, yeah man, we got through all of that. Look at the color in there already. So to this now, we're going to be adding a little black pepper. This black pepper is new, so let me go get this black pepper, pull and come back to your family. So family, I went off camera. It was a new black pepper and I opened it. So I just put, you know, put to your liking. But I would suggest not a lot, because you know corned beef and black pepper, it go well. You know, you could also grate a little garlic in here. Not a lot. But if you want to, you know me love garlic, and I'm just going to stay low on the garlic for now, or stay away from it. But if you want, you can put a little. Now, so this, you know, corned beef, it has a lot, you know, little grease. So we want to put a little bit of our Worcestershire, just to give it about 2 or 3 dashes, just to give it a little gig, and also to keep it on the moist side. So we want to go now and mix in all of these. And as I said to you, you can put what you want in there. You know, put it and make it your own. Chop what you want. You could even put some green scallions, right? If you want to make it more spicy, you could put some more black pepper, or you could chop some Scotch bonnet. Let's put a little more Worcestershire. If you can get the low sodium corned beef, and let me say to you, I forgot to say this, I did my dough without salt, because this corned beef is not the low sodium. Okay, so if you get the low sodium, you can put a little salt in your dough. But if you don't, I would suggest you keep away from the salt. So I'm putting a little bit more because I want it to be on the moist side, because we're going to be frying inside the skillet or your pot. So look at this now. You want to mix this in thoroughly, and you have that. You know this. You have the different color peppers, and as I said, take it and make it your own. You could also chop these a little finer and all of that. thoroughly mixed and all of that. Now I'm gonna go get my hands washed. So I'm gonna be making this dough. So I want you to see this. I want you to see this part specifically. So I'm gonna get my oil up and if you see the amount of oil, we're gonna be deep frying these. These will be deep fried as we are doing donuts. As when you do donuts, we'll be deep frying these. So I have my oil there on the medium. Okay? Now you're gonna be taking a piece of dough, reasonable piece of dough. So you want to get it like all flattened. Flat it out as much as you can. And you can make these, as I said, in mini ones and use these for appetizers. Okay? So you want to flatten it out as best as you can, because we're going to be using 1 teaspoonful of this mixture to each one of these dumplings. So you want to take it, not too much. You don't want to go too much. Okay? And you want to close it up. Look at this. You want to lift it, pull up the dough, pull the dough, and make sure it's properly covered. Try not to put too much in there. Okay? Try not to overload your dumpling. So when you do it, you want to get it closed properly. If a little come out and one burst out and what, nothing wrong. Okay? But you want to try to do it like this. So let me show you how to do one more. So when you make them, you make sure you have them on a dry surface and you have them up like this. I'm going to show you how to do one more. So you take off a piece of dough and you flatten it as though you make a flat dumpling. You know, some people make them dumpling flat like this. You want to take 1 teaspoonful of the filling. This is the corned beef filling, and you could substitute other things for the corned beef. Substitute what you want. Something soft, something mushy. You could do also some shredded chicken, whatever. You take it and make it your own. You can put what you want in there. Try to see if you can close this dumpling properly. So we are going to go now and make a few more whilst the oil is being preheated, and return to show you how we're going to proceed to fry them. Okay? Okay, now family, so I've done like 4 for now, and you try to close them. So when you close them, you want to close them now, so you want to make sure there is no opening. So you want to try to flatten these little points. You know, you want them look like dumpling, eh? So you're trying to flatten them and to make sure that they're all properly sealed. So we're trying with this, but as I said, if 1 or 2 opens out, don't panic. You want to test your oil because you're going to be deep fat frying, and for you to be deep fat frying, you know, so your oil must be relatively hot. So you can just pinch a little piece of your dough, or we use thermometer. So once you put that in there, you see it just go down, drop, pop up to the top. That means your oil is ready. So now gently you want to come. You don't drop it down in there as I did, you know. You want to put your dumplings down in there, and you see that the oil is ready. So look at this. You want to be frying, and this is medium. So you're going to be frying, and they're going to be in the oil frying at this pace. You want them to be frying and to be cooking and to make you know, just a little heat go through and warm the corned beef and all of that. So we're going to be frying, and when they've come to the top, whilst they fry, you use something like this to turn them over, to maneuver yourself, to understand yourself, because remember they are going to be double in bulk, you know, because you use baking powder in the dough. So we're going to fry at this pace, and when them reach a certain point coming up to the top, we'll come back to show you how they look. Okay? Okay, now family, camera girl, shoot them up on the pace at which these are frying, and you notice they are taking color slowly. That is how you want them to fry, and to take color slowly. Do not use a tongue, do not use a fork. You don't want it to get stick. So you're going to be using just like this little basket thing here if you have one. If not, you use a spoon, or it's preferably a slotted spoon. So you want to turn them around as they go, and when they are properly done, they will all come to the top of the oil, and they'll have that pretty brown color. So we are going to finish these. See how easy they are? See how convenient? How different? How just different? So the trick about it is to fry them on the medium, so they will be properly fried, and the corned beef in there, the heat will take it. So we're going to finish doing these and a few more, and when we return, we'll have the finished ones to show you. We'll break into them and see what they look like. We soon come. Now family, these are the finished product. This is what we have. This is how you want to get them. And I said to you, the trick is to fry them on the medium. Make sure they are properly sealed. Okay, I want to break into one to show you what the texture. This is crispy on the outside, and you just open it. They are really hot though, and you will see the filling of the corned beef inside there and all of that. So they are crispy on the outside, soft and nice and tender on the inside. So if you have liked this video, I'd like you to give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments below. Remember to like the videos. Remember to share them. Share them with your friends, with your family. You can't share enough. Remember, if you have not yet subscribed to the Jamaican Cooking Journey, what are you waiting for? This is Christmas. Remember to do so. When you do subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell. When you do hit the bell, say what you want to say, principled and decent, in the comment section. That is how you become a member of our notification shout out crew. Today's post notification shout out goes to, and it's my pleasure, to Kayla T. Big up yourself, Kayla T. Manners and respect, my girl. Love you, sweetheart. Now, remember to like, as I said before, leave your comments below, principled and decent. Now, I think this does the trick for now, for the breakfast, Christmas morning breakfast idea. And we're going to be moving to dinner and also to dessert. So if you have liked all that we have done, remember to share, like. We have got a whole crocus bag of things we do in a few weeks we'll leave for Christmas. Okay, Vlogmas is coming up. We are trying to upload 2 times every single day for the very first 12 days in December. So we are gonna have a little difference of how we do things, but I'll make a video and I'll explain to you everything in depth. We are also gonna be having a little, not a big one, a little giveaway for you, just to show our appreciation for you all. Okay, and we're not just gonna give it away. You know, we are gonna be having like a little company Jamaican thing. I know, so we're not big, but it's just to show appreciation for our love. We have passed 30,000 and we wanted to do something, but because this is Christmas has come, we are leave it till Christmas. So a few days from now, we will come to you and we'll let you know. We'll open up that competition, and then you can enter, and whatever it is, you'll know the price, all of that. We'll be coming with that just in a video with all the information, everything that is going to be happening on the Jamaican cooking journey. A little different from make it gig in and bring in my family in the Christmas spirit in our little way. Debbie from Dung, yaad. Bless, no stress.